Hello, mau ka live feed kala stang te ngapi yang subhai biasa ki bay don Bynta lada kidon ki bampat don nu wait telling you followers to join your video. Okay, so ngin ya okay ngan shu okay don ki perlok ki bay join ki pe kwa pen kinian so te ka banang ya ke program te ngap stream na ka phone namar ba there was some issue with my streaming software, so ngalah haban le na ka phone ndrei hoi ka daw bale ni pelong ni program ka day ba men hakani dang shan ngai iba mo kidon kini ki perlok ngawan lam kini ki perlok na sebar bade ki long ki bade ka business development sector ki ba develop ki business ki de investor te apa banga kendu eki ngalap ba kajik sam jongan nang la interact nang la kendu ba bun ngut ki entrepreneurs ki business people na Meghalaya ngasam ba ngidang duna bhate bun ki liang gen te mengkiru kias menjuri kata namar ba kiru kila poi baru ke India baru ke perthairu bat kila i business ba per te Halor kata ngasngo long itai ditangi jing sngo jonga cement banga ngaperkhat ngau ba kabha bangin le ye bangin ya kren bangin ya shai Halor ke kumnu bangin ya chkman hakani ka juk mentai po hakani ka juk ha ba kibriu kila menon ke jing mo thame ke jing kulmar kle kinian so kumnu ban sang ya ka ninya ya suki jai I mean ngakwa ban krentak ke so yi long SAP sero pila banya pha jingkeli yang kan kamera tamba ngila ban stang ni kong ni sharp shwa na kanika idea ma which is an old idea kam dika ba thamai tamal esi ta khasi kila ban nang don kibriu kibam pat sotho so karong kata ka aka bangi pongi dangi puli pongi tray mensual ni shikot ka marketing mix which is a very basic concept kaba tama kaba haru menta ki bun ki business hapo Meghalaya hapo ka jaka jungi kimpa ibana you know. So what is marketing mix? Okay, unfortunately I can't share PPT or anything here because again I'm limited by that technology, but you can Google this. Okay, marketing mix. Okay, it's very simple. Basically kita ki fundamentals mo long ketika ul idea tambah ngatai halu mentaru ngila banyak jin mood marketing mix basically ni shikama kita ki 4 P's mo actually ki bon ki P's mo menta ki lanang pen bon so tambah hapong ina pulingi pongi tray hakato post social media ro pada kiu thana ro data tambah ni shikang take 4 P's beyond product, price, place, but promotion. It's very basic. Okay, product kamut you product kadi kata ka goods lani service ke ega ba fee terwa su customer. So kala bandai ka product kum let's say PD I don't know lakadong or something. Okay, so that's your product. Okay, take kata ka kita kinjenat kita ki quality zong product zong pi kiba mo ka labani product ka kamar lani kala bani ka service ka jing sakri mo ka jing jing sakri ki customer let's say kumba pidon ka business ka ba nyat rong ki yang kataru kadi ka business kataru kadi ka product pi te ngai ipare bun hang ni dei kidang duna bha ka jing suthu des pang product. It's not just about nice packaging. Okay, kam dei tangka packaging jong pi ting ni yap bi than tang ye katuka banabar ni pitnat kum ne tanam tai tami your product might not be good. Okay, ka product jong pi barhang ni pia banong breu ubang bom sarong mo breu ba pia bangut ye kajing sngo sarong jong let's say daka bang amut ba let's say your product is not good mo thai pi kisna kenja I don't know lakadong ginger something mix. Okay, di jing di and it's not a good product. It's not tasty, it's not good. Thì tăng mà pila set pila sna handai na film su thu ya product jong na jong film sang pi customer pin system jing e. So pili ban ngui ya tu jing sang jong na jong teng teng mo ha ka business kalong kup tahi. Bun ki ke bangang sutunat la bande bu bun sutunat. So li phai biang kali ki bro hang ni re ha ka marketing mix e phap su kali brio we. Phap ban tip be ka market. Tengah pet iki brio jungi haru menta kim pat su thu ka market. Kidang su thu ka yau ka hat. Okay, kayau kahat is very different. Okay, kayau kahat traditional market bangidon kapher baklabak bat ka mark ka traditional yau kahat kapher bahab na ka market kala banumdan ka space ka yau mangi tip menta ka dikajaka ka bangila ni song nya di gimar nya di kita ki service song jong handrai ka market kala bani par ui perthai pila banumdan kanun ka jakar kadai hasun beneng link back Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, whatever, Flipkart, whatever it is. So number one, you have to trust your product, right? Like pihak ban lip pie biang sngap ikibreu, keren ikibreu. And if your product is not good, pihak ban lip pie ban pin back. There's no other way, okay? The pidon jikli ngam tu beraki perlu kidan ki belai join kat tu kan nengon. Then pidon jikli sasu type hang ma, like you can ask me any questions kan sapen. The other thing is the other P ngong kidon ki 4 P's. Ko first one bengi ong ka product, okay? Ka ibu fitur was ki ba. Price, you know, pricing. I have seen so many good products from Meghalaya very badly priced. Okay, very badly priced. Da kabang amud ba ngalaju eating ting kibre long fruit wines, for example, right? Fruit wines sometimes bangai long anum jer keteng ma kidang ki fruit wines ki belong so expensive and ka quality kamya ha. So like sometimes ki thiang than kampat ai ha ka quality jong ki fruit wines ki bawa na bar te tambangi ni pan perkador kum kitu ki fruit wines ani kita ki products ki banabar ki baladon ka quality assessment ka standardization ki la biang ta te ngai I teng dei ngasi sulungo ba kidon ngam jer keteng kidon hakaba kidon ki products sungi ki hakaba ka kami ha pador kila mudur be ba kandei be mo kum chap haring lani sa India but way sometimes again your pricing is determined by your product, so you have to look at your pricing. Namar ba menta pimun dia Meghalaya po selong nei piapan pedu customer am ulan am afford nama kibun ki customer jungi ba pli ki 5% nyopo percent ki breu jungi ki dang di ki baduk te lara pi de ka product but pi kwatang to arpo lani like 4% bala ban afford bala ban hit the product, then maybe that's not a good strategy. So ka pricing kala ban kam kala di ki pihak ban study ba, okay? It's not easy but pihak ban soto yala dia ningkong pihak ban terwaso kalor ba he harin tu pren fi soto ba okay ngadang la ban hier nang wanum kwa pisatan, okay? Persang menyo si pongut ki customer banyak ba yo way customer ba siu ya kitu ki pongut ya ka ba kitu ki pongut ki tiet namar bat ka bangi si perkhadi teng ong ongin tu way un pelut san hajar kat ba kini Kiwei pada kilaan pelut tang san spa let's say or whatever, okay? Tambah maybe that's not a good strategy. Maybe you're going to have to think namar ka product jo phiru phena perkhat bahan la ka high quality maybe phila banyo kum ta to teman dam dei high quality product ya ban perkhat bahai ka price te kini ki mang sukran kumbaki wan hanga menta kam de ba nga long di bangala da prepare ka draft or something kita ma ngakwa bangin sang mat perkhat ma let's say phila ban kali so yang ang chat. So product, price, these are two important things. Bon maki breaking jupet kata. The other thing is your placement, your place actually. your location. Ngan ai very simple example mo ngan ai kani ka belum interesting mah what let's say ka design lu ka sakta kani ka benda mo tong ngin shim winok sama kai karon kani ka building mo kani ka mall, okay, kumbang itip menta ngitip ling ba ka science, ngitip ling ba ka jing study survey, ngitip ba kiba bondo ki location kiba ha ground floor kiba ha kani ka floor ka ba madan kini kiba khambon ki sales, okay, and kabanang jong of course the ki malls kila perkata ko moy ba ka science kala phe tamal ese kum ka dukan jong ni shani ngimdon mall tamba the layout bali ba ki beriu ki be alon ya ki dukan ha try, okay, there's a reason for it, right? Ting maybe kata per kamda shong thantang ho nong shim dukan ka shong ru what ho nong design jo ki building apet kini ki complex by dona Meghalaya kini ki complex ting they're not well designed. I mean kata kare ka ka ba let's say kita try jaka kya suto, because for example kanung yarap ye ki try jakaru lada ki floor ki basajong ki thali namam dam bakwa, okay, so all these things matter, okay. So ka place like where your product is sold, kumnu ki ship, okay, kumnu fi store kinir ki ba kong san ba nga pet ka ningi point mention storage aspect warehousing, okay, bon ba ki jongi kimdon warehouse balay ba manus nam ni shaknya door house insar kiwi mar rep namar ba you don't have a warehouse. It's very simple. Lala pi don ka warehouse dong la jong pila ban stockpile khamtam ek musinsar de udu mar ubam na pi bo hajaka bar khyang ula ban ne ki pho banai di kisnem lo hanai tang na kadaw ba ki jongi ki breu jongi bapli ki nong kenong kimple warehouse kimple kita ki chaka go down ki babyang ki shaknya namar balai hang tu kilong panic sell no ta namar ba ki suthu ba la ro ne be nu mar hakne ka jaka kan support kibun mdi tong sensar kibun makimal ki sile umta. So warehousing is important, okay, that is also part of place, I would say. They itaru di let's say business ba kibreu jungi ki deban runghi namar ba ni don kam ki warehousing ala jukran yakani katukan ni kirinsan ba warehousing is very important. Menchuang ni don kan ka state warehousing corporation, I don't know what has happened to that. Mam te belajar you hajisha kadika warehousing corporation ka megofat bela adiban shimti ba ya ka warehousing ya ka storage jongkima Henry bakini kim la ban kot bor kani kadika chance ki private players ki entrepreneurs ki business people bakin le hi dalade te tama kama bhai kataru na fi play warehouse on jong ka pricing kadi bakong sama ki don ki bru bla persang man play warehouse min chwa private Henry ki feel namar balai price was too high himun bachum nong rap ki pho hajar si banai phenumla pia ban penrit bhai dor mile kan sawan ni ka pisa tama suki pide ban bill shwate ka to ka jingsanya no nong rap dan unong kabude beri bakwa kini ka space umpi yeah, warehousing actually is a very important topic. Ngampoi biasa ke place mo nga mena nga kreng ang haka bottom floor balay babun ba ki complex ay ki dukan di baya yaw ha ki siya haka bottom floor. Nobody wants to go up first floor, okay, and plus hangi kom design jo kita ki complex jungi ki kem kini ki try dukan ki shukwa ba tangi katuka ki kwa man penbun ki dukan kamdan ka jaka ki beliau ki laban spread out ki relax ki nyat da ka ba aram pihak ya pian lot. So all these things matter. This is not just a business intervention, it is a design intervention also. Nama ki beliau jungiru ki deban so tho but let's say ki try jakaro ki deban so tho igini ki ke lara ki kim so tho dai then it's a big problem, okay. Henry let's say ningila sang keren kumne kan siya chakaman maybe ka idea jo gibre I hope I hope ya suatu ya kena kiki bangakran let's say kalau benda kiki kaba bayar bha jisa nengi kran iwi pi jong ka marketing mix kidi bayar bha tama let's say the pidon interest ngila banya keren company susu ha kuwi pa ka program. The last one is promotion, right? Promotion, yeah. So promotion kamu diu. Promotion kari kumno pipin tip ikibreve. Kumno pipin tip ikibreve ba kamar pi kadon, ka service pi kadon. Ngai I kawe ka kabuk share me dai por bi kibreve pin kam ha ba ka la sei so hi ka social media. Okay? Kam tam ek business ki baret ki don kam hai social media. Namar ba kibreve hang tu ki sa tip. But again, I was always told when I was studying, when I was working, one rely 100% tangnya ka online digital presence mo. Nama pi hub ban promote dakaba lech ki jakaro. Okay? Dakaba I sample type don maybe you have a restaurant. You have to give samples also. Long ki jingba ma pi terwa ma ki kila snack ki bari pariya ba ki kila mat. Oh, this is nice, this is good, this is whatever. That is part of promotion. Pihak ban promote ya ka business on jong pihak ban ra ba haman ki insan man ki shnong lech nong son lech joy lech gohati lech aizol pihak namar ba bon ba ki brode ki struggle ha ka ni ka part ka promotion namar ba ki mudur ba o ngalas na Facebook ad ngalas na video ba bas dekala shukun tu Henry, no, sales promotion is very important. You have to go and you have to convince customers that they should buy your product. Let's say menta pia kun PDA peleng and you can meet the capacity. Let's say pila aban permi ki peleng sao na farm jom pi shisingi pila aban permi. Let's say Sunsparkly ta ada babiang ni ka farm small tama tentang biang tak product kata quantity. How do you go and convince ban pen ko ngu yaki duka pihak ban lain ban kedua ki kani promotion kare bakong san ba bon ki breu ki give up na promotion ki let tang support rapport kam nei tang kata ki company ki ba kum ka Coca-Cola Pepsi balik ki dang pelut ki pau kulur hajar kulur system haka promotion wat laki bat ya ka yo ka man ka dukan habar we perthai penlap Coca-Cola ba Pepsi Henry ki promote ba ki tip bala la kim sangya ala ki sangya kan sarong ka problem like people might buy other things namar ki don ki we competitors campus soda camper cola yeah baling im di camper cola because they don't have the marketing budget kim la ban kun ba ka coke of course production is a different thing tangba even their marketing budget also they ki pelut si bon maka pisah ndai kinum map kinum la ban kot ka Coke ka Pepsi ki happen su ya be number 3 number 4 handai lara Pepsi bat Coke ki sangye ya ka marketing ki ombe ba produk juni ka nya bi kelung so nan ong pi utu number 3 number 4 un ki sa number 1 pinum la nge tama kala banja. So that is why promotion is very important. Okay, so shwa bangan penong ya kanika program ngalasuyan mo kamsta ngam tu pia sutanat na pemi sutanat pia don comment si pila bangi tu nga kumanga ong kanika ka interaction ngadang kwa ban page ban kmi kanungut kibreu kin don interest but hapo mga page ka tu ka poll mga buang ni ha Instagram ngalap kiboni gibran interest mo but ngakwa hi banek da kakitin kasi ngakwa hi banek da kakitin local namar ba ngatip ba bun ki breu ki bala pule uta pareng ki bala tip yakini ki long ki bun ki la tip yakini ki da kakitin pareng. It's not new, this is an old ideas tangba da kakitin kasi pan kita ki 4 piece product price place promotion kita kidang jengai ba naka perkhat perdan jong ki breu rungi te nama kata nga persang menta ban sulia ini i persang baret te hapo nga posi ka tu ka pol pan nga siam ki don ki jingkeli bagi perlok ki keli ka tu ningon te kiduan ki bela kam penyak bah. Okay, dan ni wipalok mah kali. It's a good question mah kan ni. Minta ke सरकार का आई बून की ट्रेनिंग स्किल डेवलपमेंट तंगबा try kani kam the day kata kaba missing. Okay, hato ka kaba pila ban ai jimut shu halor kani ban ye de ba kam seng jam. Okay, so kumanga sutu ikan kali kadai panggini training no. Te hoi ka sarkar kalau ai bun maki training. The biggest problem bang ai ha kar kom training jung imenta ne. Kam dai ba bang training bro kadai yang train halor ki kam ayu ki sap ayu ki hato kita ki training kita ki job training ma ngi training ki bro kanang bikin don ki sap ki pong kanang bikila ban yo ban apply ban banyo kam haki let's say haki karkhana ki factory ki industry ki business ba phere unfortunately, and this is not just Meghalaya ngai ba ka industry linkage kam don. Okay, so katni ka training Meghalaya li bangim don industry ka kham janda shoma ngim don ki karkhana hai ngim don kita ki ngim te scam ba ka yoga ka jing dawa jong ka yoga. So ni I training let's say kum kini ki ba tailoring and maybe beautician, electrician kini ki training bangila juliat na mitswa. Okay, I think ki don ki feel kum ka beautician for example kala long saturated ba kila bun pala ki breu ki ba lunga kini kalan ngatai ni haban pinsangya no ya kini ki training beautician kata di jisong jonga ma pila banya num menjur tang ba ngasngo kelabun. So we have reached capacity kala poi hang ni ta. So minta let's say ni di mempesangnya no gitu ngin train no Kiwei check training. Okay, nengi crunch pang ke training mo sekwi kiri ngai ka training ka don ka jingnya jang ka bas kem ha apren ka training bat ka kam ka jam along kumba let's say ka don ka karkhana ka don kam sanspa ngut ki nong tray electric and katu ka jing train jong ki ITI jong ki polytechnic kanyalam ye ki sa katu ka kam. Okay, nama katu ka factory katu ka karkhana ka don kam ye kita ki badon kita kisap pong hang ne pat ka basusi ka dei ba kumangai inga ngishu train ni breu ngim tip sai kinlai but ngishu ki pada to long sengkam jong la jong ter kam di ka besok ban si ubreu ubadon kisap ki pong ubreu batrai di kiti jong la jong tradesman ula banum deiru businessman. Okay, kalau ban pair ke skill set ubreu uba perkhat ika business ula ha perkhat ika business. Okay, ngamong bekimla ban don ke jinge mer ke dei ban don ke jinge mer hande ha ke jo ko poru teng ni khmi lenti buktu bala nang ban tre kum electrician lani plumber lani nu ka kam ni khmi lenti to bu nong ru entrepreneur lani businessman kata ka rum la nong ma ba ka pair ka wiring ni I think ka training hang ni di ban sutu ta ba ni di ban dawaru naki training body zungi naka sarkaro ba ka training ka di ban don ka jinge te ba ke industry ba ki karkhana ba ki business ba pair but teng bunsin ngamong teng bunsin kitu ki business kila ban coba pihaban ni simenta hakani ka jingkiu jong kari India haka jingkiu jong ki karkhana jong ki business jong kari India kiba mo nginumla lanu bandon ha Meghalaya kata ngimdi ban ngebie teng ki breu jungi ki mudur babaro ki ke bekilayo training hang ni dik kinya ha bitang hang ni no i men hakani ki wan ki German ki wan ki Japanese ne bale ki wan wat ki nong tray. Okay, ki wan wat ki nong tray but ki ong philhap wan chari jungi ki hamong ba phihap le lo Meghalaya no they said You have to come to our country. Ngin COP, ngin IP ke pisah, ngin IP ke tulang, ter, ngin IP ke benefits. Tang ba, pihak buan cari jungi. So, kum kita kijat kam kidon. Okay, ngidon kam ya kinong try. Tang ba, ngim day ban pet nak pertai, ni di ban slur. It's okay. Minta ki bun ba ki ngasi ong kamtam ki kentai jungi. Please go out. Experience the world, see it for yourself. Menta haki mobile, you can call your family, pilan phone may paman kasngi, men stop and meet 19. But kiki me kaparo so bha, pensurya laki kun, bikin mi. Because pinomla ban aplang brod iki baro si jingem. Okay, kiru kilain ng ramba, nilain ng temen, namang mi snyuli. So, yeah. I don't know ngalak jubah na kancing keli jom piba tang ba ngalak persan ma ngasngo ka training kari wakong saan tama ada si gidon kibri hang ni hakni ka feed menta kiba don ideas pang ka training ngalaju keren size pang ngalaju to article lightly bang amba kibri jungi kitbit ba ban keren sut ho bahai ka pareng we should give that can be an industry jungi nila ban penikai English as a second language, Shaki Eastern Asians ki Chinese, Japanese, Shaki Korean, namakiru kila don institution jong tama nila ban ay kador bakambia. But iki Southeast Asia ru ki bun ma ki bakwa ban nang kan pareng. Tiki jong ni ki biru ki bun ma ka ki kasi kamtam ki kasi ki nongshulong they have a very high comprehension of English. Use it. Kata kali kesap kapong nai waste ka time. Te I kaniru pada kali ka ikai bangi di balis tu. Let's say ki don kat tu ningon na piasa ki ban persang. Beli lat iki weru kan nama hang niru ha paling jungi ni bun ma ki berong very talented. Te okay. Ngala syukran sa way iman tama ngatai kalau apa ye saka jubang. Ki bun kim di jingkeli ki comment tang bato ngan persang mo ngan pulis ko ki jingkeli penong kumno namar ba ki don ki jing e kade ha kaba ki jet kam ki bala shisha ki bala shisha ban survive ya ka business bun na kaliang jong ki sarkar ki claim sanction ka phai batch ka tourism ngam da stot pi subha na pi pha jing klianga comer full stop question mark kong san ma mo namang ngam da stoba to pet kawai ka bangayo kem nang ni riba ni phai ka tourism this is a very interesting point okay kumbalong menta sumubha lada pisan kalon ko business persang ban pinya match ban pinya day but ki plan jong ka sarkar okay hoi nga sutu tourism bunang ingis ngomba nginumla macam benda tourism na mar bakal aban day pa mo let's say ngimla ban don jaka kumki guest house owner lani ki tour guides nila banum don benta kata nila banum don kita kisap laban day ru bangim don benta ngim don jaka su ingin malabun kala banum ta ngimla ban sunya kalilot na mar balabun ki kali banyak turis kala banum tar mo tama hang ni te long ka tourism kadi ka bayar ha sector okay there are many ideas that can be explored ka government ni minta kum kalong kampat kami ya babun makikam hapo tourism sector de lara pidon idea lara pidon bor bapin ai sa sarkar nga pen kumbalong minta ka kloy ka tourism department ka kloy ba ban sem ki idea tama bersama long kreatif kan ngadang syukran men hakni ngompat la pen share kadang ko project pengimut banyasdang kaba ngalungo kan isnam kilele tourism kani katai tama kimpa perkadi kata idea so kemilenti pengilaban sepenmino ai kata kidi kiparlok tu nga ten dalami ngas pentip biasa ngampala ban patailut nama kadika business sungki kamte ka chonga te ngakwa hi bakin yach khamat banum dan nunu jungtut makata ngampala ban patailut rei Kadik idea ka ba hapong ay osngon ni kong ngong it's not a bad idea ngarong akam poy perkat te hani kibun. So you have the internet now, right? Like you know you kibreu menta jungiru kiba kumno ro hakanono karan puliru ki don ka internet Google search what are they doing in similar topographies mo ki jaka ki ba yasrim kum Meghalaya kum Japan, let's say belum Lilo, maybe Shimla, maybe back ken tu kile you business, let's say pila ban copy paste ni pila ban buat din nama kita pun ba ki try to align your business ngan ai jingmo pi kanono business kanono sector jo pi bersang ban penyedai ban ke because government kala don policy halor. So tourism is a clear policy, okay? Penya CM Elevate, penya Prime. Kamta me na CM Elevate, CM Elevate fin iki tu ki scheme ki programs ki launch, okay? What num do jikermen la da ka slam nama ki slam met ketika sarkar India, apo India, pitip ki kom trikam apo ke India berkoi. Henry pila so tu bagi dong ki policy hang tu puli bahasa bersang ban nong kreatif sa pet yaki ke bagi bro kim jui wanom lihat kaju skejo people restaurant kaju skejo business it might not work because restaurant margins are very low. Ki margins ka profit ng restaurant is not high. I used to run a restaurant like my sisters ki para jonga ki laju pinya so it's not high ki margins. You need mass, you need bulk, and kaba filang kana risna kana ma pen sa suto na pi baklaro hidang laban hilapan kliam stang no kawai batumai. Don't let failure deter you. Kawai bang apa i bridge niam ki tiang maha ban fail nama ki sungo ba ngin sa keren ngin sa sai to hell with that ya le la ka le sa sustang la ka stang met nama kamta me kini ki bilang arpau ngai ki dam ki perlok ni apusan pun dia persang okay, many businesses might work for a while 3-4 years pinyo profit kaliam no stang no kawai batumai it's okay pidon tang wi ka jingim pihaban try pihaban persang pihaban pihaban yang pihaban yan pihaban mare so persang stang no te hoi poi sa kata ka topic pet yang ni na CM Elevate pinsa ibun baki project baki push te wanung pet tan tangi kata scheme, okay? Henry pet ya kata ko business nama kiki lai perkat kitu ki bataw gini policy lai perkat bagi okay this will work in Meghalaya na kata daw kini kinum long Meghalaya na kita daw te pet ya kitu scheme kum kiki befila banyo alien tamaka business tum pi ka de benyang hiya ka jong bon ma ki breu ki pet thani ka scheme ki pet thani ki loans ki pet thani ki subsidy. And then what happens is ka business yung keep ka di ka ba flop ka sarkar kan ay ba pisay pi kamla ba pinya ka business yung pipa, okay? So very simple, do due diligence shwa ba pinay study bhagen ka don em ka yo ka hat ka market ya kata ka product yung pila ni ka service yung pi goods yung pi ka ba okay? And pihap long critical pimla ban shu mong ay mo ko ngapet kibun bagi beliau ki balet ka business kilong too positive, okay? You have to be very negative also, you have to be a critic namar ba fin mudur ba kani kan long bet it might not work, okay? And then pila pen kiu thanya lade pila pen sutana thanya lade hari na bon na ka fail ka business to people sa susi ba, so you have to be critical, okay? It might not work tama, it's okay, keep trying so aji mo pi kata okay. Si we jingkali bepa ini ba okay, this is very kidon ki topic hang ne ki balong very complicated mo kumno bangin yo nong invest lani kala penya trelam ki breu bala ban invest hap yarap daga sarkar ne kumno no private investment which is something that is needed in Meghalaya does not necessarily need the government. Hoy kadon kam ban regulate the government, kadon kam ban ai ki jingbit ki permission ki license henry kam dan kam hi ya kam da don kam yang sarkar ban chimta, okay? Most businesses in Meghalaya kum bakalong mentang nilai survey ka tu ni bon hi most businesses are not ready for investment, to be honest. Kidang don kam ka polish, kidang don kam ka jing trash tom susu ban pen bha shu ya ki mar jong ki ya ki service jong ki khanang ba ki la ban long investor ready namar ba Philippines to hangni ha India ro pi investor jong ro pi babun ba ki investor ki baram ni ba like ngamud yu dak ba umta long ki kmilen ti bun ba ki ke na ki business te ti jongi ba pli tangka skill kin pala ban match mud ba ngim pala ban pen mi ya ka quantity ba ki don kam sabar nanai nuksa ki spice mo bun ba ki be on try kan kam spice de kini ki jingsho sabar ngim pala ban kot dingi combine ro baro ni combine the whole production of Meghalaya ngim pala ban kon saka demand ki kwa sampau hajar ton system ngim pala kila kwa of course sampau hajar ton is quite a lot tama imagine te long kita kiba ni don bengi ong bangila banyele lon ngim pala ban kot ka quantity jong ki jingdon kam na ba te kani ri ko topic ka bayar ba pang investment one small thing bang lai ki brio jungi sane dai ki bon ki business jungi ki dang kwa ba ban le proprietorship ba ki tieng ba register di kum private limited if you want investment banyadaya phi banyadaya ki tu ki ba IP sai phiru phinumla ban le khalam ka private limited I mean or that type of structure namar balai kiru ki kwa te ka jing let's say ka jing scam ka jing snga lara ki shu IP sai phi kum proprietor compliance but ki legal framework ki dang phair ba but you will yourself be in a problem okay phiru pinsalon problem but kapisa jong phi kan salong tied up ka private money jong phi kala ban tied up ka investment money which is very dangerous okay te kani ri ka bayar ma ko topic mangila banya kren tangi kani rian ro ngala jubam nem tamba nga persang mo okay to kata sakwi jikali bajrong ba which is a good question tama very good question kajing apply loan na bank nga try kapun pala kirukam maha pendap hadu bakan dalong ka barrier ka purpose banech bank banyo pisa hanay da bun ki banay la hap shu pen biang ya ki formality hadu ba ja no ka thang trekam stop this is true this is something that actively needs government intervention but ngalaju thoughts pangkani and ngalaju interact ngalaju ya day come kibrio bangi day ban pen kala ya kani kur kom trekam jong ki bank sungi lara ka government ne kam longum ga guarantor kamla ban ai gajing sanya ki bank se bona ki kinum long ki bakloy ban ai loans ye ki bre and it's a very big problem it's actually a very big problem ni pet men hakani ka credit bangi yo na private sector na private sector na banking sector I don't think it's even 15% or something kata ka data ka bau arjar apuar na kumtahi pilapan Google online nga collect ka number so that's very low okay sigwi state ha ka ba ki business ki khalan ba ki scam pini ba ki banks ki kloy bhaban ya tray ba ki businessman ba ki business people why because ka government ka wan ka room ka ajing sanya ka ong bapet yarap igini gibreo ni kloy ban ya tray ba ki ngila pila ban sanya ki namar ba kum tam ta ki bun ki rukom pin ko ngo jong ki banks jong ka sarkari ki banks hangne unfortunately this is a very important issue ngasngo ka diban de ka public issue ki breu ki diban la sakman but ki diban ya kren rangba no ikani ka topic namar ladangim don kani ka jing suk banyak loans klaim da bon tan kini ki mau jin thot kan sepenyap ke business dong ni nginum la balong competitive pinapet ka jingkiu jong Maharashtra jong Surashtra Gujarat all these places whatever kadai na ka banking system formally or informally pinapet kum Rajasthan na Rajasthan let's say formally kam da bon tan ki bank sama informal banking system jong ki hapren ki Marwari bagi tu ki chat bendeu kila ban penya di ki pau hajar kelur sisnam okay and it's amazing if you sutu ka system no ki it's very amazing tangba ngi pada hangi ngimdan ka formal ngimdan ka informal system ro ngi don kam nya kren bahai kan nga kwa episode ki pepe kan video ro bapnya berkhat bahai kan namar ba let's say pila banya selop pila banya kren ki bre ki bedana ka bor but recipe di banya ra khmat ro kersan lam yang aru nang ara ro kini ki topic because it is very important. It's very important. There idan ini wiba nga artatian ban penrung apa ka fit nga tumatong ipersan mo except dan gibre bakwa ban Bynta. Hello. Yeah, I don't know. Ila suja. Anyway, try gitu ki bla yo ina mene pila ban kali na pidan nang type ni wi la sang man rong biang. Okay, so I think he dropped out. Ngan kesan bed lada pira kani ka isu banyo loan. Okay, good. Because government ka persang mo menhakan ni ngapet ngipoi sa tourism sector. It's a good intervention, very good. Ka government ka one kum ka guarantor yakni ka guest house scheme, right? So that was a good sign actually because hang tu apa ka government ka ong pet MRB, MCAB, SPI also I think now I don't know. Apa ka government ka one ka ong bapet ni kwa iya kibiru bikin le kani ka kam ngingin one ban long kum ki guarantor mo ngingin bu sa naga benta kibiru ngingin one ban sakhi begini kibiru di babia so ka bank lu ka kloy bentre menta pi bakani ka guest house scheme kalaya jauh ba ye kala sapriang ba namar nakata kada so idon pun ba ki nganga ju kran mai kani namar ba masong kya ba government ka day ban one kum guarantor there are many things that government can do. They hindi ba niya kan KMLA, KMDC, yaki officer, hindi ba persang man push yakni idea jung namar ba kali ka bakong san ba ladang ila ban pin suk ya ka jingyo loan ram kan suk ru yaki business jung ade nabot ibun gibreo jungi haru menta kidang ting bahaya karam don't be scared restructure okay what num mix ka pisa personal jong pi what ka pisa jong karam okay ki long chua jungi ting menchua ka po jungi karam ka per kamlong kum karam menta a structure ka per ba baklabak te mentale ka hamstuk wanum ting man simram nama bunsen kibre jungi ki dan tangka jaka kim dan pisa pen dan kamben ya ka pisa okay ban trade business pilong kam pisa so liquidity is very important. You have to talk to the banks. We have to talk to the banks as the public. Pan penkongu, yaki banks pan penkongu itu sokar bahkan senlan ini, bahkan lamlinti ini. Please repeat itu ki 4 P's. The 4 P's, basic P's. Kibun mo, there's 7 P's, 8 P's, something like that. Nama minta kita develop issue. So, very simple. Product, okay. Product, price, place, but promotion, okay. Produk kamu kamar lani katakan jing sekali rupi ka service rupi ai price ketika door nama ka door ketika kongsan ba pemla balik kan sejong pemla balik kan support kan please ketika cakap rupi seng ke dukan pila ban teng ha jurong ubri kwa ban ki jurong kam tam akin ki so called complex jong ki bai ma ba apnya jar ban ki umdon elevator umdon e ban crane ki jurong kadon tang business jong ki, so why will anyone go up? These things matter, but this is more a design issue also. And promotion pada kumno fipen tip ikibreo sepang ka business jong tani kata kamar ba pitwa tani kata ka service ba fikwa bana. So pihak ban promote, pihak ban advertise, pihak ban penmi social media, pihak ban penmi T7 batisi, pihak penmi ya ke sales team no pihak ban let bagi dukan, pihak let ki ba ban pen kong ki ba unu produk pobiang ma do ki who is this? You don't need kong. Yeah. You don't got to nengot ki kwa ban join. So join, you can join. I'm accepting. And if you bakal press na. Okay. Na join. Okay. So somebody has asked a question. Did graduate you? I studied so my graduation kadaya po English, masters juga kadaya po basically advertising, nadina advertising background. Tama mostly you could say I'm in marketing, like because other advertising industry like ngatray tang katuan ni STEM. So handai nga sutu bahai ka marketing but nga pun kita mengelaju tray hang ni baca baru kita be hakalan marketing. Okay, so that's my qualification. Persang kibela ban join sobat join pimla ban join milai. Okay, so ano ba dyan so dapitan kinun jingkali ngilaban beteng susu etani ka programa nga thai let's say in haperkhat ka bakam he namal ba let's say ha Instagram live la banyo atang ka to ngut ndre nga kwa hi ba kibre jungi mo kin kinyo jing toy let's say nga la banai jing mut yaki ka to kan ne lara pipi sungo ba pila yo jing toy na ka jing ya kren please ya thu la mi ki parlo and hilaban ya nang beteng susu pi ngadon na ang ni Instagram pila ampat di kli nga hagano no ko that's okay. Okay, so kadon kani ke SCM Elevate program ki pun ba kini ki jat kamo ki badan hang ni nganum don por ban let iwe and let's say the next program la rangi rai ban le ngatrai ke ni la ban le kadai ba ni la banyak pet kini ki skin kan hang ni iwe kini factors concentrate dai em phim lan kam wan sa secretariat ban kandu yang ngam kam pila ba pa message ni la ni sapun yang pila ban message ni Instagram ni la ni kandu ngamdon office sa secretariat tu si ban om tu tang ba maybe next program lada pia menjur ngila banyak page ni CM Elevate namar kibun kini ki sector ni kita let's say kila pemnya sotu let's say ngila banyak page iwe atat dah kama page kum ni ngila banyak tip kumnu pila ban so yali kini ki business beper and also ada pidon kinu business ideas. Like if you have any business ideas, please share with me. Inya keren, inya kana, inya like company kanang bang ala penyerap biasa namar pakai ba inya keren hang ni kadi tangi si Bynta iba tang kinjat bah. Baca po pada benang jerong bah. Te lada pisngo yo di mentoy na kani program. Na kani jinglet dengan berat. Message nga atau ngilaban saya keren susu ngatrai lada pilay biang te ngatray nila berpengkut no. Thank you. Quite a big response actually. Tibon hi gibre wisdom benda. Yang terpengkut no ini new budget ti ladap dan kinunuki kali pila banang kali dan bakwa ban join. Kiwei bakwa ban join. Join unable to join. So next one. One mi leran mo. Kali bet one bet sebentar bet. Okay. Hello, hi
Hello,
Robert.
hello, hi, hi,
Hi
hi.
Robert.
Hi, cùng film. Lại
Kumne.
mà ok, ok. Thế là xong nó được mình nén ngap
Okay.
dia ki yêu dong pi.
Oh,
Ngaru actually ngada iwe hi bang kwa mo ban get indulge kini ki as an entrepreneur
yeah.
mo. Thế I would love to kumta kin ba ngan yo kita ki jingmut na pi kin.
Hmm.
Even though batang hangat thì kapol mentang try sa pang kala kut dengan social message fi.
Just a
Thì
message. Yeah.
hi, hi, hi.
Is there
I'll just message you mo.
anything specifically bafi pet mental ke bafi mu banle in any particular sector bafi kwa
Nah,
bantu?
kidan kidan ni hoi ketuk ani hendak
Yeah.
ngalai apo ka market rumah mentah ba gila abun prat mo kini ki kantam ke tourism sector industry lite kala long
Hmm.
by everywhere mo.
Hmm.
There are some certain places but there ba kini ki accommodation sector ye ki service industry in kadang duna ba.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Kidang kidang bun de
Lambun
ha
pa.
kidang bun. Te
And
kumban chu ai example no ma shubu kum kidan there are certain areas ba nga yeldi nga dan po ka tourism industry kan
right,
dang shipor ha te nga ting yelam guest chitu vegetarian hotel ndan
right.
simple
Simple
example kan
things. Yeah.
te dang dan ba tang po sora Cherpanji ba ta po
Hmm.
Shillong te
Right.
tam nang tu pa dem fat don
Hmm.
yeah very simple
Very simple
example kan
intervention. Oh.
ha ha
Yeah, and you know, Robert, kawai ru dai banga pai ken long ka innovation ru kam dan like so for example, khasi vegetarian or
Right.
garu
Hi.
vegetarian.
That'll
That
do. That'll
that
do.
is also
Dan
something very
barang ba.
interesting. Yeah,
Good. That'll do. Dan kam je barang ba kata kajing bam juking re as
yeah,
long as it's pure veg.
yeah. It's
Hmm.
and there are many long
Variety
actually
still.
traditionally hapok ka culture jungi ngibun maki judge salad. There's so many types of salad.
Got
If
it.
you
Got it.
bakle with sosa or with
Anything.
jamardo,
Anything.
there's so many
Hmm.
wild vegetables, wild herbs and ki vegetables bungi yo again. And
Hmm.
so people cut like kumingi ong ba siya kreator.
Hmm.
Right? That's a fruit salad, right?
No,
That's
food
a
salad.
fruit salad. And then there's so many things actually which are salads. Long kumingi kle ling with something. These are all kinds of salads. So kasong ho brio bon perkat da kumoy, you know. So yeah, I mean there's lots of things that
Lots.
can be done. Even jimbam khasi, I mean a lot of it is vegetarian. Like a lot of it is rice based. There can be interventions. For example, kawai banga si perkat bahama you travel anywhere, especially Southeast Asia and Chinese areas. They have a lot of kibun magini jimbam kibalong kibatap long kumu jimbam kasi tangma which have been innovated so much. Um, uh, uh, with like kitap long
Ha.
kumaloy, but then
Right.
when you bite into it, you don't kiwi which flavor, you don't know. So for example, ni shani ni million haban bam wang ni san,
Ha.
but
Ha.
actually wang because it's basically wang is a paste, right? Like so you can add anything to it. Kibun ba ki pilaban perkat no ata namal bagi ting 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 ngila sakut ba kum tu nyombe oh wang de ban sat de ban klep oh god no sorry hello Amir last time huh? Hi good evening hello yes no ba ang Amir smo bhai phi namal baka ka wan kata ka bike niya ka ina kata hello hello may laja Hello. Okay, pasang ban perlok na pia message na pi kwa ban join. Pasang ban don ka bekerja pi. Namar ba kei ka ba la ban ja ka dei ba la ban ka you know ka distortion ka jing sawan adin. So pasang ban don ba ka bekerja sama. Kita ka tu ni ngot pi kwa ban ya join. Kubli si bun, I mean kibun ki bi Bynta. Okay. So okay, tak you decline. Okay. Okay, so ngatry ngilay poisya ka jing put chung ka program. Te kung mga lakar ni Robert Mentan, kibun ki ideas mo, bangila pa niya siyang, nila pa niya perkat ma. Namang idon kam innovation mo, haka culture ng pay ba, kaya bangila Mentan, ilang buot din ba iki pangila liat, iki pau ajar senam, ihap ang pertamai. Kayo kahat kalakala, papertay kalakala, ni ilang isamla, ihap ang pengkalay lading, ihap ang pengkalay ka culture jong sa kababahan. So, kibun ki kay bangila pa niya. Te blessing ngalapan ay buit ngalapan ay bore pieseru namar ba ngasih perkat bahas pengkini kike pilaban dan bun ki business ideas. Some of them might not work. Mo ngan kremit laga pasai. Pilaban ki business bapi ong bapi kwa ban le nganum jali jo ngan kremit laga pasai ngalaman ong ba. I don't think it might work. Okay. Because ting ngidon ka idea ka bapa tama ningila persang hamadan apartheid ngilap pada ba miok bisa long profitable te te ngapa nganum top yupi ngan pestang man kerami wasai te terapi kwa banyi sebentar susu ban nga wiki program ban penlong hadian sobha message ai jimut ya hard kali itu ya pecik kata thank you very much, thank you.